Is January 5th, Tuesday, 2021, and we watching the stock market, trying to see if we can get some money today. Uh, Now we're looking at CHEK. Now it says here as a 46 million share float. That's incorrect. If you go on Finviz or Nasdaq or Yahoo Finance, it'll tell you that it's actually 9 million. I guess Thinkorswim haven't updated yet. I didn't buy it yet because earlier I wanted to be a smaller float, but obviously I was wrong. It's lower anyway. Uh, Here we are. Do not follow what I do. I'm just a person who trades stocks on the internet in an attempt to hold on. I want this green candle right here. I'm watching this volume bar. Do not follow what I do. I am not giving financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade and what works for me. For you, it may not work, but for me, let me delete this. For me, this is how I trade though. So do not follow me. I'm trying to buy something. Hold on, y'all. This is not financial advice. This is a guy on the internet that trades stocks. So if you find something that helps you out, go for it. If something don't help you out and it's becoming a hazard to the way you trade, making you lose money, don't buy it. It's that simple. I will not tell anyone to do anything I ain't doing, but at the same point, make your own decisions, do your own DD. I'm trying to get CHEK to pop above this 240 mark for potential buy-in. Look down here on the RSI. It ran up right here, full run up. It pulled back and now it's curving up again. It was way oversold for quite a long time. I want the first candle to make a new high. That's my buy-in target. So what I'm doing right now is just looking and waiting. I got my cell phone logged on to CHEK in my small account. Again, I don't want to show people my information. Therefore, I'm going to buy it through my cell phone at my point and then sell it, of course, on the screen. So you can see both my buy-in points and my sell points. It want to pull back. See down here, this MACD? This candle is smaller than the previous light green candle. That's the pullback that is showing right here on the 5 minutes. Let me go to my charts. I'm watching CHEK. I wanted to buy it back here, but again, this float threw me off and it's incorrect. Thanks a lot, Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. AORN is on my watch list as well. It has a strong pullback. CYTH about to make a new high. First green candle to make a new high. It has a whole dollar run up. But look down here at the freaking RSI. So what I'm gonna do is go over here, looking for the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. New high, not high of day. Possibly break resistance. And resistance right now is at 680. That's the first one. Now I'm going down here as well, say, looking for a red to green move on CHEK. There we go. Both of them right there. See that pullback on CHEK? That's why I didn't buy it. I was looking at it to buy, but I wanted to pull back first and watch the reversal. So I looked at it for a bit. The VWAP is right here at 223. So we barely above the VWAP. If you look back here, it was way overbought. Right? And then it pulled back below the VWAP, above the VWAP, below the VWAP, above the VWAP, below the VWAP, above. What's next now? Should be below the VWAP, right? Then we go above again. So when it pulls back below this VWAP here, I'm going to look for a buy-in target. But I'm going for a red to green move on a 5-minute chart, right? So let me go over here and look. Let me turn my ring off my phone. I said also CYTH. I wanted a red to green move. Hasn't did that yet. Also, what else I'm watching in the group? I put in there. I forgot. Watch this right here, y'all. Peck. Peck is making some noise. Yeah. PECK. It's making some noise this morning. It ran up to $14.48 and then it pulled back. And here it is. Here we have news, right? Look at it yourself. But CHEK has zero news, right? Last night, it popped up overnight. Let's go smaller. Yesterday, straight incline. After hours, popped up again. Straight incline with no news. How does the stock run with no news? We should know that by now, right? Simple. Options, right? 6 months ago. We go further than that. How about this? Let's look at a year ago. A, pump and dump. B, options. This thing has did nothing for a year. All of a sudden, recently, today and yesterday, it runs up. How is that possible? Right? With no news. Yeah, be careful with these pump and dump stocks. You can get burnt from them, but you can make a lot of money as well. Right? Don't be a sheep. Follow your own research. What I said earlier, it's going to go below, pull up, and then go below the V up again. And there it is right there, below the VWAP. I said here, red to green move with resistance 680, right? It pulled back. Look back here, though, 6 months ago. Not even that. We can go 10 days ago. 10 days ago, back here on 12/18, it was $11 stock, right? I drew the line on 12/18 way back here. Remember? I said support. Support was back here. Now support is become resistance, right? It banged up almost to the identical point and pulled back. Look at the 4-hour chart, 30-minute chart, it's pulling backwards, right? Here's the pullback. If you look back here, even on the 18th, you will see it had news back there. Here we are, though. It bought 30,000 shares, average price of $466. That was the run up. Today, we have positive results, trap stool cyclo trial. Now, when that happened at 8:25 a.m., you look here, you will see 8:25 a.m. right about here was a run up. Right? Here we are, right here. Run up. Profit taking. Straight decline. Because it has good news does not mean it's gonna stay being a runner. It may run up like it did here and then pull back and you stuck holding the bag. That's why I always say don't be greedy. Take your money and get out the way. Right? You can always buy it on dip. Buy here, run up, get your profit, sell it, watch it drop, buy again, run up, sell it. You know what I'm saying? You can trade the same stock more than once. People might say, well, man, you should have bought it here and held it the whole time. Yeah, you could have did that, but you holding stock now for 2 hours, hoping it's going to keep on going up. Say you bought it here. It ran here, you still hold it. More money, right? It pulls back. Now you get concerned. Put back almost $1. Well, a whole dollar there. Put back a whole dollar from here to here. 620 to 513, more than $1. Were you willing to hold that stock for that whole dollar pullback? I mean, I wouldn't, but you could have. I would have sold it on the way down. When I saw it being weak, it popped up, pulled back, popped again, I would have hopped out of it. And I would have waited for the pullback, and I would have bought it again somewhere around here at the first counter to make a new high, right? And I ran up to 659. It pulled back a little bit, ran up again. As it dropped below my halfway point, 620-ish, I would have got out of it. VWAP, 603. I would have hopped out of it and then kept on pushing, right? And I could trade again, which I probably will, on this reversal when it finds support. Again, I mean, it's up to you. You want to hold the stock with no news? Up to you. We had news this morning, but it wasn't that major. But don't be a sheep. Do your own due diligence. Don't listen to what I say because I don't know nothing. This is a guy who traded on the internet, right? Been doing this for 27 years, but I don't know everything. But I do know a lot. Look right here. So we're looking for the first green candle to make a new high. However, the RSI is showing a bearish. The volume bar is totally red. The last 3-4 bars been red. And the MACD is showing reversal as well. Right? We was overbought back here. Oversold right here. And now we're trying to go back up. But it's faking out exactly at that 0, 0, 0, almost 0, 0, 0 mark to a T. So I'm just watching right now. I want to buy this stock, but Again, I don't trust it right now. So I'm going to go over here and watch it on my charts for a possible pullback. Let's watch for a minute. So my current watch list, of course, I'm watching these four on my screen for maybe a possible move to the upside. So let's watch. Now I can't trade today. My usual time, 10 o'clock. I got to go get some car repairs. So I won't be around this morning. I'll be around, but not trading. Look at CYTH right here. It's making this move to the green side. I want a red to green move or the first candle to make a new high, right? So I'm going to watch for a minute and see what it does right here. My target buy-in is 573, but you already know by now. Red the green move or new high. You see yourself where it's at. I can put in the group right now, or I can wait for a second, right till it's at that point, and then tell you, hey, keep an eye on this. But again, I'm just telling you what I see. Don't follow me. Just learn from my mistakes and my good points and bad points, right? Here we are. Look at CYTH making that move right there. So I'm going to go here and say, watch the move here. CYTH. So my target buy-in again is the first candle that make a new high. I'm gonna go over here now on CYTH and watch it for a possible buy-in. Maybe before market opens, maybe after. Let's see. Where we at? I'm logging in my small account now through my cell phone. I'm going to look for a possible trade on CYTH. But I'm going to go over here for a second so I can see all four stocks I'm trying to trade. A 4 million share float, 3 million shares being traded, that's low. With news, things should run, right? Ideally, this thing should run. Let me log out this account and log in my small account. We're going to watch it here. So we have 30 seconds left on this counter right here. It's 9:24 and 32 seconds now. So the next candle come out of here is green, and it's above this candle here. That's my buy-in point. See right here? It's want to curve up to the upside. Let's watch it for a minute. I'm going to log into my account right here and make sure I have my order ready for this move if it makes it. I might buy 100 shares. Remember, I drained my account. Remember, I always drain my account at the beginning of the year and start over. My small account, that is. Like to average out things and make sure I'm A1. Let's watch right here. So I'm going to put in the group right now. Target buy-in is still, well, can't count that wick. I don't count that wick that much. We're going to say 551. So there go my target buy-in right there. Meanwhile, I just got my alert. I see Naked is making the move. I don't trade cheap stocks, but if you do, that's on you. So I'm tell you, Naked just made a move. Where we at? Oh, they got my point. 550. I'm missing it. Oh, that's the ask. Never mind. The bid is not 550. Somebody else see it here. Look right here. They selling at 550. You should know by now, if you trade stocks for any amount of time, that usually $half marks or $4 marks are big resistance points. The 10-cent marks are small resistance points. Usually how it is. But the $half and the $1 marks are the biggest. Look up here. Nobody up there. Look down here. Nobody down here. But it's sitting here at this 550 mark. Go sellers. If I go like this right here to buy, it's going to hover over the buy market at the current price, right? If I put sell, it's going to sell market, right? That's just what it does. Let me get ready for this potential buy-in right here. We got 4 minutes to the market open. Actually 3 minutes now. And there just may be a one-hour buy right before the market opens or for a bull move. We got $1.14 to the high of day. Let's see. Oh, I'm missing my checks. Look, I'm watching that, missing check. Check. CHEK. I said red to green move, right? Let's watch for a minute. It came below the VWAP, right? And popped back up. It's got to be a green candle to buy it. Has to be. Otherwise, I'm not going to buy it. So I'm going to watch this for a minute. 32 million shares. Should be a bull move right here. If not, I'm going to stand by and watch for a minute. I'm getting my order ready right now on my check. As I was missing it because I was doing something. Oh, I missed it. And there's the move right there. And I missed the move because my order was too low. Watch for the retracement. Pull back for retracement. Ah, I missed it. I missed it doing freaking everything else. Oh, man. CHEK, where we at? Didn't get filled. And it's right there. My order didn't get filled. That was a quick 15, 16 cents, right? I could have had that. However, let me find a retrace point for the market opens. I don't want to chase it. I don't want to chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. It'll retrace. Let me see right here. I put my point on the screen right here. And I can always drag it up and down the screen, right? Just want to have it I just want to have it there. There's my point right there. It should show up on the screen. There it is. Check my auto send. My target buy-in is right there. It should be over here. I can move it up down the screen if I want to. Let's see. Watch a 1 minute pullback. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Pull it back 1 minute chart. Let's watch for the pullback right here. Let's go. Let's go. Move down some more. We need a big dump. We need a big dump. The buyers are piling in though. The buyers are piling in. 1 minute showing bullish, right? Delete that. Go here and watch for a move. A bullish move right here. Let's see. There we go. Finally got filled. That's all that time I'm sitting there. I'm in at 244 for a run to a high of day. Let's watch for a minute. Here comes some buyers. There they go. Bust through this 250 wall. Remember, $half marks are resistance points. A lot of sellers piled in there trying to short it. There we go. Make that move. Make that move. Let's go. Looking for a high of day. Next point is right here we at. We bust through this 257. We got room to run to the high of day. Now I can get out now. I'm up 10%, right? Remember, I wanted 10%. Rephrase that, not 10%. I need 40 bucks, 10%. I bought 200 shares. So not quite 10%. But take what the market gives you, right? Don't be greedy. Take what it gives you. You're looking for a high of day. It's possible. Here we go. Here we go. Here come the buyers. They piling in. 10% is right there. Good move. Good move. Good move. Good move. Let's look over here. Oh man, I didn't log in my large account yet. All right, where we at? Let's go to my larger account and look for a good point. Where we at? I gotta get out of here. I gotta hurry up. It ran up and it pulled back. See what it did? It ran up and pulled back. So I traded in my large account as I'm talking to you right now. I traded PEC and CYTH. So now I got to call it a day. I got somewhere to be. If you look here, I made one trade in my small account. I bought it 200 shares at 244. We're going to call it 245 because it's 99 to end. And I sold 200 shares for 276 on that weak candle right there. It popped up. I saw it was weak. It was fading. It faded. When the candle goes up and fade, goes up and fade, goes up and fade, you know it's not weak. It's weak. Look at large sell volume popped in. So you see that happening? Try to find that top of it and then hop out of it like I did. So I bought 200 shares. It cost me well, I bought 200 at 244. So it cost me $500 to buy them shares. I made 12%. My goal is 10%, but take what the market gives you. Do not be greedy. Do not chase stocks. I didn't do that. I said I wanted a red to green move, right? Or a new candle make a new high. Didn't do red to green. However, you look here, I said on check, looking for a red to green move. I missed some buy-in. I missed the buy-in point right here, right? However, I didn't fluster. I logged into my small account through my cell phone because of course I don't info on here. I put my buy order below the current price, right? I put it like way down here somewhere. And when I did that, I checked it and I moved it up the axis. The market opened, so I unchecked it and canceled my order and then waited for a buy-in point. I saw the buy-in point down here. I hopped in it, ran up, and I hopped out of it, right? So I'm putting the group right now and I'm calling it a day. And you can see my video. Calling it a day for now. I have to go to the Volvo dealer for some routine maintenance. I'm going to put in that same post the stocks I just traded. And I'm going to go to the group. I'm going to log out of here, right? Come on, I'm done, right? I'm going to log out right here. As it's fading, see that? And go over here and look at my trade. I said to you, like I told you, call it a day for now. I have to go to the Volvo dealer. Well, I'm put dealer. Let me edit that. For some routine maintenance, right? And you look down here. Here go my two trades in my large account. You saw the video already on my small account, so no need to do that. You saw the video live. But I would say made 12%. Video coming soon. All right. With that being said, I called my points. I told you about PEC, right? I told you about PEC's up here, obviously. I told you about PEC. I showed you PEC. I told you about CHEK. I showed you CHEK. I told you about CYTH as well up here. Told you about that as well. So all 3 stocks, well, 2 stocks I traded, I told you about if I did it. With that being said, one trade away, and you guys stay green.